Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to multiply 1, 2 or 3 or more numbers to get LCM of those. So first, I'm going to if you guys checked out my factors and multiples video, you should be knowing what LCM is already. So LCM. LCM. So we're going to be doing about LCM. So first of all, let's start off with one number. So it's the least common multiple. So first, let's start off with one number. How to find LCM of one number. So this is how to do it, and let's just scroll down. Now suppose I want to find LCM of number 6. So first I'd see the tree method. What do we multiply to get 6 as its multiple? So start 2 big bubbles and let's fill it in with 2 and 3, because 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now after you did that, after you got 6, you want to now you have to see that there's 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are factors of them. So the LCM is direct. So after we've got these, we have to just multiply them to get this. So this is the direct LCM. So 6 is the LCM of itself. So remember that always LCM is LCM for one number is always itself. Okay. And now let's move on to the next one, which is 2 numbers. So 2 numbers. How to do it with 2 numbers. So first, aren't you tired with listing out methods? For example, let's work with 4 and 5. We have to list out factors. So we have to list out some factors. So let's just list it out some factors, which is, I'll be right back when I hit factors out. Okay. So yeah. Okay guys, so I've listed out some factors of 4. Now I listed out some factors of 4. Now so these are the factors: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. You don't need to list out all of them. You can list out some of them. Now let's list out the factors of 5. There's 5, there's 10. Oh my god. Okay, so there's 10, there's 15, there's 20, there's 25, there's 30, there's 35, and so on. You don't need to list out all of them. Sorry, my 5s are a little going too much. Okay, now yeah, now this is all of the tables of 5. Now first we have to find the LCM of this. So LCM is basically the least common multiple. So these are all multiples of 5 and 4. So we should find the least common multiple. Common is basically the first thing that is same in this. So the first thing that's same in this is 20 and 20. So 20 and 20 are the same here. So 20 is LCM. So 20 is LCM of 4 and 5. Now let's learn about actually another method for this. There should be another method than this boring calculation. Sometimes you might be having some problems with it. Sometimes when you're multiplying it, it might be too long and you still didn't find the least common multiple. Here is another method to do it. Okay, so another method to do it. Okay. Another method to do it is, of course, prime factorization. I'm going to use prime factorization later. I'm going to use factor tree method for now. So first, if you want to find LCM of it, not factor tree method, but something close. So first, for example, I want LCM of 6, 3, and 5. So I want LCM of 6, 3, and 5. 6, 3, 5. Now my first step is to always divide your paper out into 3 equal columns. 3 equal columns. Now I got 3 columns here. Now what I want to do is put each number in the column and now divide it out and see which, I think the bubbles are going too much. So let's see what we multiply. We get 6 as the multiple. So there's 2 and 3, and next there's a 3 which can be 1 and 3 because it's a prime number, and next is 5 which is 1 and 5 because it's a prime number as well. Now we got these trees kind of stuff here. Now what I want you guys to do is right here I'm going to list it out neatly. Put 6, 3 and 5. So for 6 we got 2 and 3, and for 3 we got 1 into 3, and for 5 we got 1 into 5. So this is what we got so far. Now so first is LCM, least common multiple. So we are going to be working with prime numbers here. If you haven't learned about prime numbers, you can check out my last video about factors and multiples. I will be posting the part 2 soon. And yeah, so first prime number. So what is the first prime number? It is 2. So you just highlight 2 like this, or do anything. So you have to make sure you see which one has the highest 2. There's no more 2's here, so I'm going to highlight the only 2 here. And then now since there's no more 2's, we're going to be moving on to the next prime number, which is 3. Which one has the most 3? You can choose it out. I'm going to choose this one because one of this was already highlighted. You can choose any of these, it's the same. And now the next prime factor, which is 5. Now is that any 5? Yes, that is. So highlight that. Now cross out this tree so that you know. Now you see you have 2, 3 and 5. Now basically what you have to do is you have 2, 3 and 5. Now you basically have to multiply all of these highlighted numbers. So 2 into 3 into 5. Now 2 into 3 is 6, and into 5 here is 30. So our answer is 30. Now 30 is our LCM. And yeah, that was basically it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. Bye. And also a quick reminder is that you can use the same method with bigger numbers as well. And yeah, bye.